The health benefits of meditation have captivated many thinkers and scientists. As a result, a number of studies and tests have been carried out in order to assess the impact of meditation on a person. According to these studies, meditation has a variety of health benefits for both your body and mind. 1. Reduces stress. Many people today are subjected to chronic or severe stress, which has a negative impact on our overall well-being and health. Our body's natural response to tense or dangerous situations is stress. When you are in these situations, your body releases hormones that prepare you for your natural flight or fight response. Stress can be beneficial or detrimental depending on the duration of the stress. Stress is beneficial in short bursts because it can motivate us to achieve our goals or complete tasks by their deadlines. Long-term stress, on the other hand, is harmful to our health because it can harm both our bodies and minds. Meditation, according to a number of studies, is an excellent way to manage stress because it activates our body's relaxation response. This means that meditation brings the body back to a state of calm and reverses the effects of stress. As a result, meditation will enable you to effectively and healthily manage your stress levels. 2. Reduces the symptoms of illness. Meditation, according to the Mayo Clinic, can be beneficial if you have a medical condition, anxiety, asthma, cancer, chronic pain, depression, heart disease, high blood pressure, sleep problems, and tension headaches are just a few of the illnesses that benefit from meditation. Some researchers believe that meditation can help with illnesses that are aggravated by stress. The symptoms of the illness can be reduced if stress is reduced. Because meditation reduces stress, it alleviates the symptoms of the illness. 3. Improves heart health. One of the most beneficial effects of meditation on the body is improved heart health. According to the American Heart Association, patients who meditated had their arterial walls thinned. Patients who did not meditate, on the other hand, experienced no change in their arterial walls. Thick arterial walls can contribute to a variety of negative health outcomes, including high blood pressure, obesity, and other heart-related illnesses. If your arterial walls become too thick, it can reduce the amount of blood that flows from your heart, resulting in a heart attack or stroke. Meditation reduces the thickness of the arterial wall, allowing your heart to pump blood more fluidly and decreasing your chances of having a stroke or heart attack. 4. Reduces muscle tension. Meditation also has an effect on the body by reducing muscle tension. Muscle tension occurs when the muscles are not properly relaxed, resulting in sharp pain and difficulty moving. If you work out hard, are under a lot of stress, or take certain medications, you may experience muscle tension. Because meditation frequently includes controlled breathing and mind-calming techniques, it aids in the relaxation of your muscles. There is even a meditative technique called progressive muscle relaxation that focuses on muscle relaxation. Meditation also reduces stress, which is a major cause of muscle tension. When you reduce stress, you also reduce the side effect of severe muscle tension. 5. Boosts metabolism. Meditation boosts metabolism as well. Although meditation will not cause you to lose a significant amount of weight, it will assist your body in burning off more calories while you are resting. The reason for this is that meditation causes an increase in activity in the hypothalamus, the part of the brain that controls your metabolism. If this area is more active, your body's metabolism will naturally increase. 6. Slows the brain aging process. Meditation has an effect on the mind by slowing the aging process of the brain. The amount of gray matter volume in the brain is used to measure the aging process of the brain. The more gray matter your brain has, the better shape it is in terms of aging. Long-term meditators had more gray matter volume than those who did not meditate. According to a fellow study, younger meditators had more gray matter than older meditators, but older meditators had more gray matter than non-meditators of the same age. According to this study, meditating slows the aging process of the brain. Meditation has the added benefit of slowing the aging process of the brain. The more gray matter your brain retains, the better it functions for muscle control, sensory perception, emotions, and self-control. As a result, meditation will allow us to use a healthy brain and mind for a longer period of time. 7. Enhances psychological well-being. Another way meditation affects the mind is that it changes the structure of the brain, resulting in an improvement in psychological well-being. The thickness of the cortical or the volume of brain cells are used to determine brain structure. According to a Harvard University study, 8 weeks of mindfulness-based stress reduction increases cortical thickness in the hippocampus in areas that control emotion regulation and self-referential processing. Simultaneously, it reduces the thickness of the amygdala, which regulates fear, anxiety, and stress. As a result, experiment participants reported an increase in psychological well-being and happiness. In fact, patients reported feeling less stressed and more positive about themselves and their lives. In other words, meditation has an effect on the mind by increasing happiness and contentment. Meditation also improves one's self-image and outlook. Mindfulness meditation has been shown in studies to reduce depression in over 4,600 adults. One possible explanation is that stress causes the release of inflammatory chemicals known as cytokines. Cytokines can have an impact on mood and lead to depression. Because meditation reduces stress, fewer cytokines are released, resulting in less depression. Some studies have even measured electrical activity in meditators' brains. The study discovered that those who meditate have more activity in brain regions associated with positive thinking and optimism, demonstrating how meditation improves one's psychological well-being. 8. Enhances concentration. Meditation improves one's concentration and ability to focus as well. In fact, some studies indicate that even a few weeks of meditation improves focus and memory. A study that measured the concentration benefits of meditation found that those who meditated for a few weeks before the GRE had a 16-point increase in overall score. This point increase can be attributed to a better ability to focus on the questions and test. As a result, meditation improves one's ability to concentrate and focus. This increase has a significant impact on the mind because it improves performance when tested and put under pressure. 9. Aids addicts in their recovery. Addiction is a terrifying disease that is difficult to manage, control, and regulate. Meditation is one method by which some addicts have learned to control their addiction. Meditation's effect on the self-control regions of the brain is thought to help people better control their addictions and impulses. In one study, smokers who meditated were found to be many times more likely to quit smoking than those who did not meditate. According to the findings of this study, meditation can help addicts by allowing them to ride out the craving until it passes. Other studies, such as mindfulness-based cognitive therapy and mindfulness-based relapse prevention, have discovered that meditation is effective in treating other types of addiction as well.